This is the 7.4 practice homework, and I'll be doing the odds. All right, so for this first one here, it says name each shaded angle in 3 different ways. Okay, so I can know that the points here are A, B, and C. I can name it right away, angle B, so that's one way. Then I can use 3 points, which would be angle A, B, C. And that's just starting here. And then the third way is I can do the reverse of that. So I can do angle C, B, A. If we go on to 3, the first way, same thing as before. I can do angle K. Then I can do MKL. Then I could do the reverse of that, which would just be angle LKM, but there's also a fourth way. Since there's this 1 right here, I can just name it angle 1. All right, 5, we want to know if it's acute, right, obtuse, or straight. So the first one is AFD, and that would be AFD, and that's above 90 degrees. So that would be obtuse. Then let's do BFD, which would be BFD. And the tricky part is we got to find out how many degrees this is. So if I look at it kind of like from the side, I know that if I start here and go this way, it would be 130 minus 50, which would be 80. Oh, I'm sorry, not 50, it'd be 40, sorry. 130 minus 40, and that will give you 90 degrees, so that would be a right angle. So again, I just took this number right here, and I minused this number right here. You could also do it the opposite way. If you were to the same angle here, you can take this top number, 140, minus 50. That'll give you 90, and that'll be your right angle. All right, 9. Complete each statement. Angle PMJ. So PMJ is right here. So this is my angle right here. It's got 2 lines on it, and it's equal to what else? So the easiest way to do this would be to look for another angle that has 2 lines. I see that this has 2 lines, so I could do this angle right here. Well, actually, no, not that angle. It would have to be that angle. So we could do several different ways to name it, but that angle, you could say it's QHG. You could also say that it's GHQ. And then you could even also say that it's just angle H. All right, then let's erase this. If LMP, so LMP is going to be equal to 100, QHG, so it'd be QHG is going to be equal, so we pretty much just did the same one, because this has 2 lines in it, this has 2 lines in it, so I know they're congruent, which means they're equal, so that means this one's going to be 100. All right, let's keep going here. 13, what is another name for WYZ? So WYZ, so there's 2 names that you could do it. You could do just angle Y, but then you could also just reverse it and have it angle Z y, w. All right, 15. Find x and then angle RAM. So I know this is one thing we need to understand is that this is on a straight line. And a straight line equals 180 degrees. Okay? Think about it like a 90-degree angle. So this right here would be 90, and this right here would be 90. So that means this whole line right here, if it's just a line, a flat line, is going to be 180. So in order to find out what x is, what I need to do is I need to add these two and then set them equal to 180. So that would be 50x minus 10 plus 8x plus 16. We're going to set that equal to 180 degrees. So that'd be 58x. And that would be plus 6 is 180. 58x is going to be equal minus 6 on each side, 174. Then you do 174 divided by 58. Make it 3. So x is going to be equal to 3. So then it says after that, we got to find out what RAM is. So RAM, right, this line right here, it's going to be the 50x minus 10. So all I got to do is take this x and plug it in. So it's going to be 50 times 3, because that's what x is, and minus 10. 50 times 3 is 150 minus 10. 150 minus 10 is going to be equal to 140, and then make sure you label it in degrees. So the two things you need for this are x equals 3, and then RAM is equal to 140. Have any questions, let me know. Send me an email. All right, have a good day.